Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial in collaboration with my friend Wumi. I know a lot of you don't know I'm natural. I have a lot of hair. So in collaboration with my friend Wumi of Essence, I can't wait to show you guys how I transition this big afro here to a ponytail. Even me, I can't even believe that it's possible, but she says it's possible. So we're going to watch her do that. I'm just going to introduce her. Come on, Wumi.
Hello everyone. My name is Wumi Essence.
So we're going to get to it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and yeah, see you guys at the end. I can't wait to get transformed. extensions are these again?
Darling.
So it's a darling Nigeria. So this is it. That's what it looks like, guys. Yeah. So we're going to tie it up now. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it because we enjoyed creating it, and I hope you learned one or two things. Please try it out and let us know how it goes. Comments, put some comments about how you feel about it. I'm going to put Miss name on the description bar, and it's just going to be here. Please follow her on Instagram. She's an amazing hairstylist. I've worked with her for a long time. She styled my bride's hair. She does a lot of children's hair too. So if you have daughters that you want her to style hair for shoots, she's definitely available. I'm going to put her number and her Instagram handle down below, both for her kids Instagram page and for her brides and other clients Instagram page. I hope you like this video. Subscribe, click on that notification bell. Anytime I post a video, you're the first to know. But till the next one, guys.